Hey friends, look, rain is coming, and I'm so happy because 3 days it was so hot, and now finally rain is coming, and you can see the environment is looking so good, dark and really windy outside. I'm so happy, and especially rain is very my favorite season. I love it so much. I just cannot tell how much I love. I just do not have words, and I'm so happy. The lightning make me so excited because it looks so pretty. Normally everybody is scared, but I do not. I really love storm and the lightning, and rain is going to come, so I cannot stay much longer outside, so I have to go. And who love the rain the best? Just go in the comment section and know me, okay? So I'm going. Bye bye. See you later.